Hey, this is Ben with Riverside Marine and Cycle out of Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2022 Polaris Ranger 1000 EPS. Has the upper front brush guard, harvester, 10-ply tires. I'm going to say they're around 60-70% tread. Has a full hard cab, glass windshield, crank down window doors. Rear tires look like they're more like 40-50% tread. Tilt assist dump box. Machine's in good condition from what I can tell. Wiper washer kit, heater, high and low range. Does have the 2 floor heat vents, 4 dash vents, and 2 defrost. This machine's got 7,492 miles, 923 engine hours. I'm going to take another video of it getting started up, drove around. If you've got questions, call us at 406-232-3300.